Okay, yeah, so to be really clear, the fact that I have a definition, I got that from Ann and Jamie when they're hanging out, so it's not ours. And I would say that as an organization, we aren't good at leader-centered work yet. So, and this is kind of what we're really happy to share with the world is we're willing to share the mess that we are. I think this is really valuable. A lot of the things you can read are companies that are doing it well. And frankly, we're not on a lot of these things. There are some things to do well. So as I understand leader-centered work and the way that I got to observe the CI team at Nordstrom help the president there is, hey, what are you trying to achieve? What are you trying to become? What do you need more in your life? What's keeping you from getting there? So it really started at a personal level with, and her name is JJB. JJB, who are you trying to become? What do you want to be? What do you want more in your life when you left? And then they looked at her calendar to understand the current state. And so then they could look at the current state and say, how do these activities help you become that president that you want to become or that person? And there's a massive gap. So basically she was suffocating in the organizational structure, which was meet all day, get nothing done, work all night to get something done, and then try to do the meeting all day again. So in our case, that is not my current state. My current state was already, and has been for a long time, not very active during the day. So I do have quite a bit of time in my world to be thinking about the things that are under my hat. But for a lot of leaders, this will be transformational, which is starting with who are you now, who do you want to become, how does your calendar line up with that? And for some leaders, what that means is they're going to realize that they're working in the wrong company, or that they have the wrong assignment in that company, or so if it's an honest conversation about, I hate the word leader, and I hate the word standard, so we got to rename this because it sounds horrible. Let's call it person habits something that makes you awesome. I don't know. So, but anyhow, so it's really what we want to really build in. So Tucker, for example, you have actually built this. So you can say Jeff has a schedule, that's fine, but you're trying to help Alex become a technical leader because that's something he has said, I want to become. We have the list of known competencies at Kaas that we say, if you have these competencies, you'll be qualified to lead anywhere, not just at Kaas. And here are the behaviors and the training you can use to get to those competencies. So you have a scheduled time where you're coaching him in the direction of his challenge on a, let's say, daily or sometimes multi-times a day. So leader-centered work is having an intentional strategy or where do you want to go, a direction you're trying to get to, and building the habits and the schedule and the resources to move in that direction.